Okay, Noah, I got these 3 construction vehicles for you. They're transformers, just like you wanted. We got the dump truck. We got the front loader. And we got the cement truck. All right, so let's see if we can transform one of these. So we take the cement truck. We're gonna put these out of the way. And then we take this part and we put it up like that. And then we take these wheels and we put them up like that. Okay, and then we put it up like that. And then you have the transformed transformer, the robot. I'll send you more videos for the other ones.